Hey guys. Um, so in light of recent events, I just thought this would be a good time to share my story and hopefully get some justice for other women and minorities who might have suffered some of the things that I suffered in the video game industry. So it has been my dream to work in the video game industry since I was like really, really little. Um, and I've been called a fake gamer girl pretty much ever since. Like, I was actually a really, really ugly, nerdy kid. Like, that's 100% true. I was really fat and really ugly. And so I got good at video games. But then I started wearing these fake glasses that don't have a prescription. Um, and people said that that was lame. And then I got hot, and people started saying I was a fake. But anyways, that's beside the point. Um, so I just wanted to share my experience working at Blizzard. Horrible, horrible company. So misogynistic. So just discriminatory. Um, they, they just really messed up, guys. They really did. As an attractive woman there, it was very, very hard. I was getting hit on by my superiors all the time. People just saying insane, insane things. My manager would always walk by and say that he was gonna 360 no scope my pussy, which I don't even know what that means, to be honest. That doesn't really make sense, but it made me really uncomfortable. Um, and there was another guy who insisted that I call him an elemental shaman, um, and was asking me like for my star charts and stuff like that, and said he needed drops of my pussy juice for a healing potion for his mom who had ovarian cancer. Which I don't know. I don't know if his mom actually had ovarian cancer, but he was just so offensive to me. Like, you really shouldn't even hear the word pussy in the workplace unless a woman is saying it or a person who identifies as a woman. So hearing these guys just talk about pussy constantly made me really, really uncomfortable. I don't know anything about this Bill Cosby room. I guess I wasn't hot enough to get invited. Um, but obviously, Bill Cosby is a horrible person. Um, and I really wouldn't want anything to do with that. And oh, my heart goes out so deeply to anyone who was involved with that and did get Bill Cosby'd by a bunch of video game nerds. I'm just so sorry. Thankfully, that wasn't the case for me. But yeah, like it really hurt to have worked so hard to become a part of this industry and then to just be treated like a sex object. It was really, really upsetting. Um, I do also want to take this time to promote my OnlyFans. I'm reclaiming my sexuality as a woman in the video game industry by starting a nerd themed OnlyFans. It's kind of like Belle Delphine, but I'm not as pretty as her. But like, I think that really proves the point. Like, if I can get harassed at work, I think I can get paid online. You know what I'm saying? Um, so please subscribe to that. My username is sexy nerd gamer girl blizzard 6969. There's some really good stuff on there with and without the fake glasses. So if that's your cup of tea, go check it out. And other than that, just like, don't support Blizzard or Activision or whatever. Yeah, obviously I quit my job there, so I really need this OnlyFans thing to take off to keep paying my rent. So yeah, I promise you'll like what you see. I got harassed over it, so. But thank you for letting me share my story.